So keyhole scarves, they're really simple. They take really no work at all. You can use any stitches that you like to create them. Depending on the yarn, what weight you're using is how many stitches you're going to start with. So I used Touch of Alpaca for this, which is a number 4, but it's a lightweight yarn. So I did 120 chains to start. So you're basically making a rectangle. So the way I've been doing them is probably about 5 inches wide. So about halfway through on this rectangle, whatever stitches you want to make, you need to create this slit in your rectangle. So this slit is where your other side goes through. So by how you create that slit is just skipping some stitches. So I skipped 6 stitches here, and then on the next row you just crochet into that spot to make that hole. On this one I did about 18 up, and then I created my hole. It depends on the weight of the yarn again. What I usually do is when I'm making it, where I put my slit, I just kind of move it over and see as I'm creating it. And I see where I want my scarf to fall. So it's right about there. So I know my slit's going to go right about here, if that makes sense. And it really won't matter much. If the scarf is a little bit off and it sits a little lower or a little higher, it's okay. So once you get about halfway, make your slit and then crochet back up into the slit, whatever stitch you're using, and then just do another half of the scarf. It's so easy. This one I did half double crochet in the back loop, and then I did half double crochet cross stitch in the back loop only. So you could do any, you could just do a plain half double crochet, you could do half double crochet in the third loop. Any stitches that you like will create one of these scarves. It's just a rectangle. It's so simple. Nothing to it. So I figured I'd do a video for those of you that look at what I do freehand and get frustrated because you can't do it. But look at how simple that is. Just make a rectangle and just make a slit in your rectangle and you've got a beautiful scarf.